children, let's start with chapter number 6, Exploring Ideas and Questions. So, in this chapter, is a study about religious practices in India that become prominent day by day. Right? Now, we have Upanishad. These are ancient texts filled with conversation between teachers and students. Starting from 6th century, हम 6th century से बात करते हैं. जो लोग थे वो क्वेश्चन करना स्टार्ट कर दिया उन्होंने on the rituals of religious sacrifice. So we can say they pondered over life after death, rebirth and karma. The thinkers believe in sometime permanent in the universe called Atma or individual soul. Later what happened, जो शंकराचार्य थे, they expanded on these ideas. So Jainism followed by teaching of 24 great teachers called Tirthankars. And one was Vardhaman Mahavira. He was 24 Tirthankar, lived at the same time as Gautam Buddha was born in Vaishali Viva. Right? Mahavira renounced his princely life at 30 and he became an ascetic. And after 12 years of meditation, he achieved enlightenment. इनको क्या हुआ? इन्होंने enlightenment से किया. Now, doctrines of Jainism. We have 5 names. Ahimsa, non-violence, Satya, as Satya means non-stealing. Parigraha, non-acquiring property. Brahmacharya, that is observing chastity. So, Ahimsa, non-violence, they were core Mahavira teaching. His followers known as Jains, they live a simple life. Now, purpose of Jainism. Purpose क्या था Jainism का? Jains believe in existing the soul. Mahavira teaching aim to free the soul from earthly books. They can achieve through right faith, right knowledge, right action. Next, we have spread of Jainism. भाई देखो जिसको support मिला community में, what happened? Spread or to northern India, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka. Jain teaching were initially passed down orally, but they were later written down in Vallabh and Dijal. Now, Buddhism, which emerged in India in 2500 years ago, founded Gautam Buddha, जिसको हम सिद्धार्था कहते हैं, was born into a royal family, जिसे हम Kapilavastu गए. At 29, he left his life of luxury to seek enlightenment. After a year of meditation, he attained it under a Bodhi tree in Bodhya Vihar. Right from one, he called Buddha, and his followers were Buddhists. And what happened? He spread his teaching in places like Varanasi, Sarnath, and he passed away at the age of 80 in Kushinagar, Uttar Pradesh. Now, teaching of Buddha. So, Buddha first serum introduced 4 noble truths. Life is full of suffering and unhappiness. Suffering arises from desire. Suffering can be ended by removing desire. And to do this, one should follow 8 paths. आपको जो 8-fold path है वो आपको follow करने हैं if you want these desire to be fulfilled. Now, 8-fold paths are right view, means seeing the world with a wisdom and compassion right base. We are cultivating clear kind of thoughts. Speech, using kind and helpful words. Right action, doing good deeds. Right living means choosing a right livelihood. Next, right endeavor, making efforts to control evil and thoughts, action. Right recollection and right meditation. These are the 8-fold paths that you should follow if you want your life to be happy. Now, spread of Buddhism. Like Jainism, Buddhism spread because of the royal support, particularly from Emperor Ashoka. Then we have Sangha, was a community of followers of Mahavira and Buddha. जिन्होंने अपने जो घर था उसको छोड़ दिया था in search of knowledge, and they have written that in Hinaya Pitaka, one man can join. Now we have monasteries. So in monasteries, life of Buddha Sangha was rigorous. Bhikkhus had to beg food and spend most of the year. They realized that the need of permanent shelter leading to construction and monasteries or viharas where they live. They were made up of bush and later of bricks, and some were carved into hills, which was especially in the western end. Right? This is all about in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in next class. Thank you.